Hi, I'm Doug Wittler, president of Premiere Concrete Admixtures, and welcome to our building site here. This is my project, and the funny thing about it is all us people in the concrete industry always pick the worst weather to do our jobs because we're satisfying everybody else throughout the rest of the year. This project's going to be as energy efficient as I can get. Originally, I wasn't intending on doing ICF, but lumber prices just spiked due to the coronavirus, so concrete was still holding about the same number, so I figured I'd do what I always thought I wanted to do, which was build a complete concrete structure, and that's the way this building will end up. Some of the things that we're going to touch on over the next couple weeks are things like ICF placement, forming, rebar, spacing, etc., etc. Especially as you can tell on the back, we got a 12-foot wall with clay, which has to have extra considerations as well. In addition, this building's going to end up being solar. We're going to have radiant heat in the floor. We're also going to be incorporating some technology that we have in our company, which is called match curing and maturity testing, which will give us the ability to predict the strength of the concrete in the forms in real time, but it'll also give us the ability to cure cylinders in the exact same temperature condition that's in the wall. So we will know exactly what the strength of that concrete is, so that we can make decisions such as pulling the braces off of the form, backfilling, etc. Just some of the things that we'll be showing you, and we appreciate you joining us, and we'll see you soon.